It's January 1st. You write it down. This is the year. This is the year I get in shape. This is the year I read a book every week. This is the year I finally build that business.
You feel a rush of motivation. You buy the gym membership. You buy the books. You buy the domain name.
And then February 1st hits. The gym shoes are in the closet. The books are collecting dust.
The website is blank.
Your motivation is gone. And you are left with the quiet, cold feeling of failure. You are back at zero.
Why? Why is change so hard? Why do our best intentions always fade? Because we have been sold a lie. The lie is that motivation is the answer. The lie is that goals are the answer. The problem is not in what you do. The problem is in who you are. For our entire lives, we have tried to change our habits using the wrong model. This is the outcome-based model. It has 3 layers. It starts from the outside. First, you set an outcome. I want to lose 20 pounds. I want to write a novel.
Second, you change your process. I will go on a diet. I will write 1,000 words a day.
And you hope that these actions will eventually change your identity, that you will become a healthy person or become a writer. But this is why it fails. This is like trying to build a house starting from the roof. Your brain is not designed this way. Your current identity, the you that you believe you are, is a powerful force. If your identity is, I am an unhealthy person, you can force yourself to diet for a week. But you are in a war against yourself. The monkey brain we talked about, it hates this war. It will use every ounce of its power to pull you back to who you are. You don't fail because you are weak. You fail because your system is backwards.
So we fail. We try again next January. And we fail again.
And this is where the real danger lies. It's not the failure itself. It's what the failure teaches us. This is the true cost of staying in place. It's not that your life doesn't change. It's that your identity becomes stronger in the wrong direction.
Remember James Clear's voting system? It works both ways.
Every time you fail to act, every time you quit on your diet, every time you leave the gym shoes in the closet, you are not staying the same. You are casting a vote. You're casting a vote for your current identity. You cast a vote for, I am a person who doesn't follow through. You cast a vote for, I am a person who quits. You cast a vote for, I am a person who cannot be trusted, even by myself. That is the true consequence. The pain is not staying in place. The pain is the slow erosion of your self-belief. The pain is regret. This is where we arbitrage the solution. And it comes from the master of habit change, James Clear. In his masterpiece, Atomic Habits, he reveals the profound truth. The arbitrage is this: true, lasting change does not start with the what. It starts with the who. This is the identity-based model. It flips, Lutnerk, the entire process. It starts from the inside. You don't start with the outcome, I want to lose 20 pounds. You start with the identity. Who do I wish to become? The goal is not to read a book. The goal is to become a reader. The goal is not to run a marathon. The goal is to become a runner. This seems simple, but it is profound. It changes everything. When you adopt an identity, you are no longer in a war. You are simply acting in alignment with who you are. James Clear gives us the most powerful line in the entire book. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. Let's dissect that. It's beautiful. You are not building a habit. You are casting votes for your new identity. You don't need to change the world today. You just need to cast one vote. If you meditate for 1 minute, you just cast a vote for your identity as a calm person. If you write one sentence, you just cast a vote for a writer. These are atomic habits. Small, tiny, but they are the proof. Your brain stops fighting you. Your monkey brain sees the proof and says, "Oh, I guess I am a writer. Writers write, so I will write." This is the Holy Grail. This is how you tame the monkey. You don't fight it. You convince it with evidence. So, how do we build this voting system? This is where the famous 4 laws come in. But we don't look at them as tricks. We look at them as tools to cast our votes. Law 1. Make it obvious. This is the cue. You must design your world to remind you of your new identity. If you want to be a reader, don't hide your book. Put it on your pillow. The environment is the ballot box. Law 2. Make it attractive. This is the craving. You must reframe the pain. The monkey thinks, "Ugh, I have to go to the gym." The identity says, "I get to go to the gym. I get to vote for my identity as an athlete." It's not a sacrifice. It's an opportunity to prove who you are. Law 3. Make it easy. This is the response. This is the arbitrage of the 2-minute rule. Do not try to write a book. That's too big. The monkey will scream. Your vote must take less than 2 minutes. Want to be a writer? Your task is open the laptop, write 1 sentence. That's it. You've cast your vote. You are winning. The monkey cannot fight 2 minutes. You outsmarted it. Law 4. Make it satisfying. This is the reward. The monkey needs a banana now. The problem is, the real reward, losing 20 pounds, is months away. The monkey doesn't care. So you must create an immediate reward. Get a habit tracker. When you cast your vote, put an X on the calendar. That X, that visual proof, that dopamine hit, that is the banana. The monkey is happy. The CEO is happy. The identity is stronger. You don't need motivation. You need an identity, and you need an action plan to vote for it. Step 1. Define your identity. Stop thinking about outcomes. Ask who. Who do you really wish to become? A reader? A healthy person? A creator?
Write it down. I am.
Step 2. Cast 1 atomic vote. Use the 2-minute rule. What is one tiny thing your new identity would do? A healthy person would put my gym shoes by the door. A writer would write one sentence. Do that one vote. Today, right now. Step 3. Never miss twice. This is the arbitrage of perfection. You will fail. It's okay. The professionals fail too, but they never miss twice. Missing one vote is an accident. Missing 2 votes is the start of a new habit, a bad one. Your action plan is simple. Forgive the first failure, but get your vote in tomorrow, no matter what. Your identity is not set in stone. It is built, one vote at a time. To build your new identity, I created a free identity-based habit worksheet. The link is in the description. Download it and subscribe to this channel. Because the knowledge arbitrage isn't just about what you know, it's about who you become. Welcome to the arbitrage.